They came silently, and within hours, your healthy plant was under attack. One morning, everything looked perfect. The next morning, the bugs had taken over.
But today, we fight back and save our plants with simple natural methods.
Healthy plants need protection to grow strong and beautiful. Aphids are one of the most common plant enemies. Caterpillars can destroy leaves in just a few days. The first step is to inspect your plants regularly. Strong water spray can remove many insects naturally.
Neem oil is a powerful natural pest control solution.
Mix neem oil with water and spray it on the leaves.
This protects plants without harming the environment. Garlic and chili spray works as a natural insect repellent.
Insects hate this strong natural mixture.
Soap water is another simple and effective method. It removes insects and protects plant leaves.
Ladybugs are natural defenders of your garden.
Encourage beneficial insects to protect plants.
Remove damaged leaves to stop the spread.
Keep your garden clean and well organized. Sunlight and fresh air make plants stronger.
Water plants at the right time for better health. With care, plants recover quickly. Simple methods can bring amazing results. Now your garden is safe and thriving again. Protect your plants naturally and let your garden grow strong and beautiful.